Okay, so just to illustrate one more time why we use the banked numbers at the bottom here, if we just quickly throw ourselves into the lucky spinner, let's we'll buy 5, but I don't expect we'll get that far. We'll just try and get a nice little cluster together. We're just trying to win a few nice. Oh, there's a mystery. That's good. We'll just try and find some nice little boxes to take the numbers into the game and just quickly show you how they can be of great benefit to your final score and actually get you off to a good start as well. So we'll see where this ends up. Hoping it's not a mystery for this one time. Oh my goodness, we're going to have to take it. Okay, yes, okay, we'll take it. Thank you, sir. Okay, so let's take that. We'll play the 7 and the 6 and the minus. I was hoping for a slightly different array of numbers, but I'm not letting that mystery go. They're too rare. So let's just unlock that and have a quick bit of fun. See which one we get. I know which one I'd like to see, but let's see which one we get. Oof, I nearly landed on. Okay. Yeah, let's take the big diamonds. I think we're going to need a few. So, as I said before, that's our new firework. So we've got this one there, and we've got this one. So that makes it really useful, as in the more you get, the more you can mix and match them up. You can obviously split them around a little bit. And as I said before, you'll notice that if you get this centralized, it lights up, and then those ones stay in their fixed position, which is straight up, and these ones actually fire off from all different randomized variations, so they're quite nicely spread apart. That's the sort of difference. There's 1 or 2 fireworks that are spread apart, and there's 1 or 2 that are just straight up. The cooldown bar is simply to stop you over cooking too many fireworks and making your poor machine die a nasty death. Or at least my app anyway. So yeah, that's fairly much what this is all about. It's getting as many fireworks as you can. When you get 16, yeah, you trust me, you'll have some fun. So we're doing quite well. We've got 2 already, and that was not too much work. Okay, so what we're really trying to do is take the lucky spinner. I want to get slightly bigger numbers. You'll notice it says to me you can't play until you've done these. So quick way around that I often find is kind of boycott the numbers and then go and get some better ones. It's always good to start with a nice set of numbers. So if we go on the lucky spinner, normally you wouldn't chew through diamonds like this. They're a little more expensive than I'm making it seem at the moment. So let's just buy 3. Pick a few numbers we like. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we get. A few nice operators and a few nice numbers. So we're going to get something out of this one. Something to take into the game. And again, we're looking to get some good numbers to build from the start. If we can use them straight away, that's really good, because they once you've done the sum, the numbers go straight back to the top, and you can continue building on them. So what are we going to get? 7, 8, and a couple of pluses. Let's have another try. There's a couple of these spins that are set up so that they give quite a big jackpot. There was one with 2 or 3 mysteries and gold blocks and diamond blocks. But they're again quite rare spins, but when you get them, yeah, they'll make you dance, those ones. Okay, so there we have a diamond block. That's very useful. Not so good on our numbers that we're trying to achieve, so let's see if we can get some numbers this time. Okay, 6, 7 times, which is useful, and a plus. Let's take those as it's our last spin, and then we'll jump straight into level 3. We'll take them on board, and as you can see, we've got them there. So we'll wait for our first drop, and you can see there's a 6 times 2 equals 12. A nice big 3.5 for nearly 4,000, and you get your 12 back. So like I said, if you can really play with those numbers, you will find you'll boost your score quickly. Again, we've used it straight away, and we've got a sort of an extra helper. I'd like to have used that 14. Okay, so there's a 20. This is quite a hot round by the look of it. We're going to get some good numbers from this. So again, we're just trying to pick these up. I've got one eye up the top, just to make sure. Oops. And again, the little one at the top just helped me get there quicker. But those little numbers at the top can really make a difference to your kind of end result. They really do make a difference. And if you can keep your eye over here as well, we're looking to get 15s. So again, we want to wait for one of these really and try and hit that number 14 in the middle. Okay. Oops, that was wrong. There we go. Okay, so we light the 14 up. You can see if we now got a 9, 21, 11 needed, and a plus. Didn't see any pluses. There's one. So 9 plus 11, 21, and you can now see we've got some lines building up. So again, we've got one eye on the bingo, one eye up here to try and get as big a score as we can, and it's really just about trying to find the right section of numbers that are in here to get those bonuses at the end of the game. So 21, 22. 14. Let's try and finish this one on that. So we're looking for an 8, and there she is, and a little plus again. That's it. Let's try and get some times is working. 2 7s to 14. And again, you can see how the numbers at the top now are starting to make the difference. So from quite a sort of a bit of an edgy start, we're now starting to get a little bit of fruit. What's that fella over there? That was you lucky. Okay, so yeah, and you can see again they're building up quite quickly now. We just need a 2, so let's use one of those, and then one of one of those, and we get our 20. Okay, and 12 plus 9, it's 21, and all those numbers at the top have mostly grown from that original 12 that we had. The number 12, and there we go. That's not a bad score. Missed the numbers, no lines, so no bonus. Disappointing, but at the same time a good score. Probably got me near the top of the table. You'll be lucky. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, if you get a nice little bonus at the end, you can look at a good 10, 15, 20% on someone that takes you right up. So that with a full house would have probably been up here somewhere. But yeah, that's a bit of an idea on how these little fellas work. If you've got this many left at the end of the game, you've not done very well, because you want to be using these numbers in the last minute. When you've got the sound turned on, there is little sound indicators that let you know the time's running out and you haven't got much time left. So of course, for demonstration purposes, this is fine, but if you're in the real game, you would be concentrating hard and listening for those audio cues. Okay, back to the main menu, and we'll slip off to the next video.